Hello student, Hemant sir is here. So in previous video we have already discussed about the heat, then temperature and about the latent heat. So today we are going to understand the types of latent heat. Okay. So the class 10th. Okay, and we are understanding the science 1 chapter 5. Chapter 5 called heat. Okay, see हमने कल देखा था latent heat. Latent heat. So actually latent heat क्या होती है? It is the amount of heat released or absorbed by the matter to change its state from solid to liquid or liquid to gaseous form without change in temperature is called as latent heat. Okay, so आज हम latent heat के types पढ़ने वाले हैं. Okay, so first type we have specific heat of or specific latent heat of fusion, and second one is specific latent heat of vaporization. Okay, so first we will discuss two, then we have latent heat of condensation, specific latent heat of condensation, and last but not the least is specific latent heat of freezing. Okay, so first we have to discuss the latent heat of fusion. So fusion means what? So fusion means the transformation of solid matter into liquid state is called as fusion. But we are studying the specific latent heat of fusion. Okay, so what will be the latent heat of fusion? The amount of heat which is absorbed by the matter to change its state from solid to liquid state without change in temperature, or we can say at a constant temperature, is called as specific latent heat of fusion. Okay, so we have to write the definition also. So what will be the definition? The amount of heat absorbed by the matter to change its state from solid to liquid at a constant temperature is called as latent heat of fusion. Very easy. What is latent heat of fusion? The amount of heat absorbed by the matter to change in state from solid to liquid state without change in temperature, or we can say at a constant temperature, is called as specific latent heat of fusion. Okay, now next part we will understand the specific latent heat of vaporization. So first we have to understand what is vaporization. So vaporization is the process in which liquid molecules they convert into gaseous form. This process is called as vaporization. But here we are understanding the specific latent heat of vaporization. तो यहाँ पर word use हो रहा है latent heat. Okay, so what will be the definition? The amount of heat absorbed by liquid matter matter to change its state from liquid to gaseous state. Gaseous state is called as latent heat of vaporization or specific latent heat of vaporization. Okay, so these two definitions that we have in our syllabus. Okay, so next one, see the specific latent heat of condensation. So condensation is nothing but the reverse process of vaporization. ओके सो यहाँ पर जो एब्जॉर्ब वर्ड यूज हुआ है हमको यहाँ पर रिलीज लिखना पड़ेगा, दैट्स ऑल. एंड यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, लिक्विड टू गैसेस हो रहा है, तो यहाँ पर गैसेस टू लिक्विड होगा. ओके सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द स्पेसिफिक लेटेंट हीट ऑफ कंडेंसेशन. ओके सो क्या हो जाएगी डेफिनेशन, द अमाउंट ऑफ हीट released by the matter to change its state from gaseous to liquid state is called as latent heat or specific latent heat of condensation. Okay, so see एक definition आपको अगर याद है, so you can design all the other three definition according to the content. Okay, whether it is vaporized, whether it is condensed or whether it is freezing. Okay, so likewise you can write the definition, just you have to design on your way. Okay, so last we have the specific latent heat of freezing. अब specific latent heat of freezing क्या होगा, जो liquid form of matter है वो solid में convert होगा but without change in temperature. जैसे अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं water की, प्रीवियस वीडियो हमने क्या देखा था कि जब solid state से ice लिक्विड स्टेट यानी वाटर में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है एट 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस, तो वहां पर टेम्परेचर चेंज नहीं हो रहा था बट स्टेट चेंज होती थी हमारे मैटर की. सो वहां पर क्या हुआ था, सॉलिड से लिक्विड फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो रहा था, तो वो था स्पेसिफिक लेटेंट हीट ऑफ फ्यूजन. अब जब इसका रिवर्स की अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं, तो जो अमाउंट ऑफ हीट एनर्जी एब्जॉर्ब किया था अगर वो रिलीज हो जाए तो अगेन हमारा जो लिक्विड स्टेट है वो सॉलिड फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. इसी को हम बोलेंगे लेटेंट हीट ऑफ फ्रीजिंग. ओके सो लेट्स राइट द डेफिनेशन. क्या हो जाएगा, द अमाउंट ऑफ हीट रिलीज बाय द मैटर टू चेंज its state from liquid state or liquid to solid is called as specific latent heat of freezing. Okay, so this is all about the specific latent heat of fusion. We have for fusion, we have for vaporization, we have for condensation and for freezing. So these 4 types of the specific latent heat we have in latent heat part. Okay, so write down all the 4 definitions. Okay, so write down. So student, this is all about the specific latent heat of fusion, vaporization, condensation and freezing. Okay, so the specific latent heat of freezing, condensation, evaporization and fusion is different for different matter. Okay, so now we will start the regulation process. Okay, and it is the really very interesting as well as the very important. Okay, so now we are going to discuss the regulation process. So let's start the regulation process. So what is regulation process? That is the question. So the answer is, it is the process in which ice converts into liquid form when pressure is applied, and when pressure is removed the liquid again converts back into the ice. This process is called as regulation. रेगुलेशन क्या होगा? जब हम आइस के ऊपर प्रेशर अप्लाई करेंगे सो आइस विल कन्वर्ट इनटू लिक्विड फॉर्म, आइस वाटर में कन्वर्ट होगा, बट जब हम प्रेशर को रिमूव कर देंगे देन लिक्विड अगेन कन्वर्ट बैक इनटू द सॉलिड फॉर्म, दैट इज इन आइस. This process is called as regulation. So first we have to write the definition and then we will understand the process. Okay. So what is regulation? The process, it is the process in which ice is converts into liquid, that is liquid water, when pressure is applied. When pressure is applied and liquid water is again converts back into ice when pressure is removed. When pressure is removed, this process or this property is called as regulation. Okay, so let's understand this process with the help of example. So here in this diagram you can see that it is the ice slab which is kept on the table, and on ice slab there is one thin wire which is bonded or which is tied with the weight on both the side and which is kept on the ice slab. When pressure is applied with the help of string on the string, then the ice below the string get converted into liquid form, and then the string get dipped inside the ice slab, and the liquid which is above the string which is again converted back into the ice when pressure is applied. So क्या हो रहा है, जो string है, जब string नीचे धीरे धीरे डीप हो रही है, पेनिट्रेट हो रही है आइस स्लैब में, क्यों? क्योंकि प्रेशर अप्लाई हो रहा है बिलो द स्ट्रिंग के थ्रू आइस पर क्या हो रहा है, प्रेशर अप्लाई हो रहा है. सो ऑन दैट रीजन आइस कन्वर्ट हो रहा है किसमें, लिक्विड फॉर्म में. इसीलिए जो स्ट्रिंग है वो धीरे धीरे नीचे जा रही है, कहाँ, पेनिट्रेट हो रही है आइस में. अब जब आइस में पेनिट्रेट हो रही है स्ट्रिंग, वो नीचे आ गया तो ऊपर वाला जो सरफेस है, सरफेस का जो वाटर है उसकी वो प्रेशर रिमूव हो गया है. सो ड्यू टू रिमूवल ऑफ प्रेशर और जो सरफेस अबोव द सरफेस का जो वाटर है वो अगेन कन्वर्ट बैक हो जाएगा किसमें, आइस में. दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज रेगुलेशन. ओके, आई होप आपको ये प्रोसेस समझ में आ गई होगी. सो व्हाट इज रेगुलेशन? It is the process in which when pressure is applied, ice convert into liquid form, and when pressure is removed, the water which is again convert back into the solid form, that is in ice. This process is called as regulation. Okay, so student, I hope आपको latent heat के types और regulation process समझ में आ गए होंगे. So in next video we are going to understand the anomalous behavior of water. See, there are the different matter when they absorb the heat. जब वो हीट को एब्जॉर्ब करेंगे तो वो क्या होंगे, उनका साइज एक्चुअल में बढ़ जाता है, थोड़ा वॉल्यूम उनका बढ़ जाता है, बट वाटर के साथ स्पेसिफिक टेम्परेचर के रेंज पर बिल्कुल अपोजिट होता है. ओके, और यही हम समझने वाले हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, विच इज द एनोमलस बिहेवियर ऑफ वाटर. एंड इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोसेस बिकॉज देर आर द मेनी एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स, दे live on the cold season due to the anomalous behavior of water only. Okay, so students, आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो.